Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you want to know the price, simply click the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you buy a watch from Jazz Time once in a while. Today, we'll be talking about the Rolex Datejust 36, reference number 126234, with a black dial and Jubilee bracelet. This model is a classic in the line of Datejust 36s, as it has the index hour markers and the very distinguished yet classic black dial. The diameter, as its name suggests, is 36 millimeters in diameter from finger to thumb, and also contains the white gold fluted bezel. The case and the bracelet as well are also made of the Rolex Datejust white gold, as is standard per Rolex models. The back is the screw down case back, as typical, as well as the Rolex winding crown. Unwinding it brings you to the first position where you can wind the watch. The second position, as this is a Datejust, allows you to change the date by simply rotating it clockwise. And the third position stops the second hand and allows you to adjust the minute hand for precise timekeeping. Be sure to press the crown all the way in and screw it back against the case to maintain superior water resistance. And speaking of which, this case is water resistant down to 330 feet or 100 meters. The most important part of this watch is probably the movement, which you can't see since it is a closed case, but it is the caliber 3235, made in-house by Rolex with a precision of plus or minus 2 seconds per day after casing. There is a center hour, minute, and second hand, as you can see, with instantaneous date rapid setting, stop seconds for precise time. The oscillator is a paramagnetic blue parachrome hairspring with high-performance Paraflex shock absorbers, so this will be keeping time regardless of where you are or what you're doing. The power reserve is approximately 70 hours, so you can set this down, pick it up almost a week later, seemingly, well, 5 days later, and it'll still be keeping time just fine. The bracelet on this watch is the Jubilee style with 5-piece links all the way across, polished on the outside and as well as along the sides, with a brush finish underneath. The clasp is the standard oyster folding clasp. Lift the crown and you can open it. And trying this watch on, the Jubilee style bracelet feels very smooth to the touch and is very form-fitting, as the links are actually very small. The case does not rise too high above my wrist, so there's no fear of any sort of, getting caught on long sleeves or suit threads. So, it looks just fine on my wrist. So what are your thoughts on this watch? Would you like to get a classic Datejust 36? What are your thoughts on the black dial? And keep in mind that Rolex does make Datejust 36s in a myriad of colors, so be sure to check out our website at jazztime.com. Leave a like, comment, share, and definitely subscribe to see more. Thank you.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in Jazz Time, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.